With my side business in AI, I made over $30,000 on Fiverr. In today's video, I'll demonstrate both how to launch this side business, which has a potential daily income of $100, and how to fully automate it. When I was looking through Fiverr for ideas for passive income, I came across this concept. I then discovered this gig, which is a short-form video service. What's intriguing about it, you might ask? I was amazed by the profits these sellers made by offering such a basic service after doing my research. As you can see, this gig has over 700 reviews and 9 orders waiting in the queue. They charge $20, $40, or even $50 depending on the service the customer orders. So just from the reviews of past customers, they have already made between $14,000 and $36,000. Another one have 7 orders in the queue costing between $15 and $100 have been placed with this seller, who has 511 reviews. The seller's earnings from this gig alone range from $7,000 to $46,000. By the way, the Fiverr forum claims that only 67% of buyers actually leave reviews, so keep in mind that the percentages given are only from those who took the time to do so and add their review, so the earnings could be 33% higher as a result. Only 85 of my orders are rated, as you can see in my dashboard. The most absurd thing is that these gigs can be posted on Fiverr for free. Then I decided that it would be a good idea to start a short captioning business using CapCut and listing it on Fiverr and begin a simple side business that could earn you an extra $100 per day. Although there were only 14,000 services available when I first started this gig, you can see that there are still a ton of new sellers who are actually generating sales at the moment. If he's making sales with a thumbnail like this, I'm pretty sure you will too, and if you can create a thumbnail that looks like this and this, you can completely dominate the competition. We'll talk about how to do that in a moment. First though, let's examine the automation of video editing. 2 videos that I downloaded from YouTube will be used in this demonstration. Nevertheless, you ought to use the videos that your Fiverr clients have given you. I'll be showing you how to automate the process. Please note that this is not an editing tutorial. I'm going to use CapCut for this, which you can download for free by searching for CapCut for Windows on Google, then clicking the first link and downloading it. Go ahead and take the first action. I've already opened the CapCut. All you have to do is click on New Project when you get to this section, then Import, and then Video to select it. Simply drag and drop the video into this location. It will now appear. The easiest way to create captions for a video that your client has sent you is to click on this and select the 9:16 ratio option. The best part is that you can do this by simply selecting the text tab, going to Auto Captions, and selecting the language you want the captions to be created in. I'll just leave it in English. To create the captions, simply click the Create button. You don't need to type each word of the sentence by hand. In light of this, I advise viewing the entire video and reading the captions after the text has been generated. If everything was correctly generated, ask the client for the transcript as well so you can check the spelling. If not, you can simply click on the text in the timeline and make changes, but now we're running into a problem. As you can see, the words are not capitalized, and if we use the monstrous font, we really need to capitalize each and every word because it is not automatically capitalized. But don't worry, I have a solution for that too. Simply type the bold font into Google, click the first result, and then download the file from this page. I'll leave the link in the descriptions as well. To access it, click the search icon, type in Go Here, and then simply drag and drop your font into the appropriate field. Now that it's finished, open the Capture app again and launch it. Rest assured that CapCut has an autosave feature, saving you from repeating all of these steps. You can find it here by clicking the font right now. Check this blue box after choosing the first caption. This will ensure that all of the captions will be affected by any changes you make here. I'll leave it white and increase the size to 10 strokes, 30 foreign, 100 blurriness for the shadow, 70 distance, 15 angle, and 10 strokes for the angle. I'll also increase the shadow opacity to 100. As you can see, all the settings have been applied to every caption, and this is looking pretty good right now. You must have seen their Instagram Reels or TikTok's videos if you follow or know these major influences. They all do the same thing, they underline the key words. Also possible is that, for example, if you want to highlight this word, click on the caption before moving to the split icon. Let's say you want to highlight the first portion of your caption, which is now divided into 2 parts. To do so, uncheck the blue box and choose the tab. To make it yellow, I will change it. I'll also make the change to yellow in the second part. Let's check it out. It does look pretty cool. Adding emoji will make it even cooler. Now enter emojis.com into the search bar on Google to access the entire collection of emojis. These ones, in my opinion, are more appropriate for my video, so let's download them. To use these emojis, just drag and drop them to the desired location after I go to import and select all of them. To make the video more interesting, you must now add animations to the text and emojis. The easiest animations to use are the slide up, zoom in, and slide down animations. Simply choose the component you want to animate, then click the animation tab. To my text and emojis, I will quickly add animations. And now, by adding sound effects, we must emphasize specific words and emojis. To access all the options, simply select the sound effect tab under the audio menu. However, I'll list the most popular selections here. Those sound effects are ding, swish, and whoosh. To choose any other sound effect, drag and drop it onto the timeline. It's finished, so let me quickly add them. Check out the appearance now. I think this is pretty good, so just click on Export now. The plane is the $1,000 first-class plane ticket. But here's the thing. I'll give you one more bonus tip now. If you want to differentiate yourself from the competition, think about including a variety of fonts with every order. You can do this in less than 2 minutes. You can also try including humorous memes and GIFs. Consequently, let's discuss how to make a thumbnail and publish your gig. Simply go to Canva and select Create Designs Typed YouTube Thumbnail. This has the same dimensions as the Fiverr gig thumbnail. To find the iPhone frame, go to Elements. Drag and drop this object here after selecting it. Then enter Alex Hamosi Instagram Reels into Google. To save an image, go to Images and choose someone. I will select this, then return to Canva, click on Upload, select the image, and after it has been uploaded, just drag and drop it on top of this frame. Returning to Elements, select the iPhone frame and drag it onto your Canva document. I'll adjust the size now, then you can just place this frame underneath the iPhone frame to complete the design. Now that we have a background image, all we need to do is add some text. To do this, simply go here and type background. I'll pick this one. Just some text like these needs to be added, so let me layer it at the bottom. Just to make it look more appealing, let me add an arrow symbol. Just go to Fiverr after clicking Share and downloading the image. When you're on the dashboard, click Create a Gig after clicking Become a Seller. The gig title and description you can get it from ChatGPT. By the way, you can watch the videos on my channel that demonstrate how to use ChatGPT in details. The benefits of this side business is that you only need to work when an order comes in, which means you are paid for every minute you spend working. As opposed to other businesses, you don't need to put any money up front or put in a lot of labor before receiving payment. On Instagram, you can also connect with small-time influencers and describe your services to them. To help you guys get in touch with the influencers, I've attached a sample influencer outreach template, and surely you will find all the links in the descriptions down below. Subscribe to MoneyFlow to be the first one making money online, and don't forget to leave your comment down. Hit the like button for more methods. Check out the last video.